In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make left-to-right sound in BandLab. If you've ever wanted your vocals, a synth, or an effect to sweep smoothly from one side of your speakers to the other, this is all about panning. Panning places a sound in the stereo field, so it feels like it's coming more from the left, the right, or anywhere in between. It's a simple concept that adds depth, motion, and excitement to a mix. Start by opening your project in BandLab and choosing the exact track you want to work with. This could be a voice, a guitar, a pad, or a special effect. Selecting the right track is important because panning affects only that specific sound. If you're unsure, solo the track briefly so you can really hear what your changes are doing without distraction. Next, open the track settings. Click the track name or the little gear icon to bring up the controls. You're looking for the pan or stereo control. You'll typically see a knob or slider that's centered by default. Center means the sound is evenly balanced between left and right. If you can't spot it right away, pause and scan the track controls. Most mixers keep pan near the volume fader. Now for manual panning. Turn the pan knob to the left and you'll hear the sound move toward your left speaker. Turn it to the right and it shifts toward the right. Subtle moves create width without pulling the sound too far out of the mix, while more extreme moves can create dramatic placement. Use good headphones or properly placed speakers so you can judge the balance accurately. If the sound feels lopsided, ease it back toward the center until it sits comfortably. If you want a true left to right movement over time, you'll want to automate the pan instead of leaving it in one spot. Think of automation as recording or drawing the knob's position as the track plays. You might start the sound on the left at the beginning of a phrase, glide it through the center, and land on the right by the end. Smooth transitions usually feel more natural than sudden jumps, especially on melodic parts. Keep an ear on volume perception as you pan. Our ears can interpret direction as a change in loudness, so adjust track level if needed to keep it consistent. That's it. Select your track, open the pan control, set a position, and when you want motion, automate the pan for a smooth left to right sweep. Save your project, compare before and after, and enjoy the added space in your mix.